Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are taking a closer look at the Toyota Avanza 2025. A multi-purpose vehicle that's perfect for families and businesses. With its sleek design, powerful engine, and advanced features, the Avanza 2025 is a great choice for anyone looking for a vehicle that can handle tough terrain and daily duties. The exterior of the Avanza 2025 is bold and modern, with a distinctive front grille and LED headlights that provide excellent visibility on the road. The Avanza's design is both stylish and functional, with features like a robust suspension system that helps improve stability and control. And with 16-inch alloy wheels, this MPV is sure to turn heads wherever you go. When it comes to performance, the Avanza 2025 doesn't disappoint. The 1.5-liter engine produces 104 horsepower and 136 Nm of torque, making it a great choice for those who need a vehicle that can handle daily duties and weekend getaways. The Avanza's transmission is a 5-speed manual transmission or an optional 4-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and seamless shifting. The Avanza 2025 features a comprehensive safety suite, including features like airbags, ABS, and electronic stability control. The Avanza's safety features are designed to work together to provide peace of mind while driving. The interior of the Avanza 2025 is all about comfort and practicality. You'll find premium materials and a modern design, with features like heated seats, a touchscreen display, and Bluetooth connectivity. The Avanza's interior is also incredibly spacious, with plenty of room for passengers and cargo, and with seating for up to 7 passengers. The Avanza is perfect for large families or businesses. The starting price for the Avanza 2025 is around $18,000 for the base model, with the top-of-the-line trim coming in at around $25,000. When compared to other MPVs on the market, the Avanza 2025 is certainly a contender. With its powerful engine, advanced safety features, and practical interior, it's a strong competitor to other MPVs in its class. Overall, the Toyota Avanza 2025 is an impressive vehicle that's sure to please even the most discerning drivers. With its bold design, powerful engine, and advanced features, it's a top pick in its class. Thanks for watching.